Gabby and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today we have an upper abs sculptor. It is an 11-minute follow along workout. I will be providing modifications throughout. Make sure you hit subscribe if you've not already and drop me a comment after the workout. Let me know how you found it. Let's get straight into your 11-minute upper ab sculpt. Bringing yourself down towards the floor, you're going to start by just rolling safely all the way down and towards your mat. I want you to bring one leg up and then other leg comes all the way up. So you're in a tabletop position, knees over the top of the hips and the toes are in line with the knees. Just stay there, breathe in. Breathe, exhale, squeeze the belly button down towards your spine. Now bring the hands underneath your thighs. I want you to tuck your chin to your chest. You're going to roll, lift up, and then bring it all the way back down again. Drop the head down. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze chin to chest. Lift all the way up. So you're just warming up those upper abs here. Inhale. Exhale. You want to curl your head, neck, shoulders up and away from the floor. You've got one more. Then we are going to hold. Bring your chin to your chest. I want you to lift up and hold right there. Now you're trying to get your upper spine off the floor. C shape with the spine. I want you to release one hand away. Doesn't matter which one. Press it down to the floor and start to push. So you're going hundreds with just one hand. Now the legs stay still. Upper body, it stays off the floor. Push this hand down. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. 10, 9, 8 more seconds with this hand. 7, 6, switching hands here. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Switch hands. Release your right hand away and start to press the floor away. Push, press, press. Now don't let the shoulders start to creep down to the floor. Keep them up and away. I know you are burning already. Go 5, 4, go 3, go 2. Now hands come back under. Lift yourself that little bit up higher. If you want the modification, go back to those singles. If you're working with me, both hands go off. Now push, push, press, press. Squeeze head, neck, shoulders off the floor and keep breathing in. Inhale, exhale, push down. Inhale, breathing in, exhale, push down. Just give me another 10 seconds here. 9, go 8, go 7. Can we get high with our body? 5, go 4, go 3, go 2, 1. Well done. Straight away, drop the feet down. You're going to interlace your fingertips and send them behind your head so your head is supported. Now breathe in, exhale, chin to chest, head, neck, shoulders lift. And then all the way back down towards the floor. Inhale, exhale. So your feet, they stay planted on the floor. Your lower spine is again on the floor. You just tuck in chin to chest, lift, and drop back down. Now as you lift up, I want you to bring your eye line to your thighs. Look at your thighs, and then lower back down again. So this is really focusing in on your upper abdominals. We are gonna get you those abs that you want. Squeeze chin to chest, lift up, squeeze, hold, and all the way back down. Keep going. Chin to chest, all the way up, squeeze, lift, hold. You've got it. You've just got 5 more, and then we're going to hold at the top. So you're curling your spine off the floor. 4 of these. Inhale, exhale, lift, squeeze, hold. You've got it. Stay with me. Keep going. Squeeze chin to chest, all the way, lift up, squeeze, hold, and drop back down. We've got 2 more now. Squeeze chin to chest, lift up, hold, and then drop back down. Now squeeze the chin to the chest, lift up and hold. You can stay here for a modification, looking at your thighs, tucking the chin in, or option, you can bring one hand forwards, you can bring the other hand forwards. Now chin to chest, you're going to try to reach for your side of your calves towards your shins. So we go, the pulses up, squeeze. You've got it. Let those upper abs burn, tremble, shake. You are making that change you want. Stick with me. You have just 10, 9, 8, 7. Can we get high with the shoulders? 6, 5, 4. You've got it. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees in towards the chest. You're going to rock yourself backwards, side to side even. Popping the feet back down onto the floor. Don't give up now. Now you're going to bring your hands around the outside of the thighs, tuck the chin to the chest, ripple all the way up, a slow, fluid motion, reach the top. Then press the bottom of the spine to the floor, make a gorgeous C shape with the spine, roll and reach behind yourself. I can feel My abs are on fire already, all the way up, squeeze and lift. Now, if this is a little bit too tough for you, you can always bring the hands underneath your thighs and use underneath the thighs your legs for support. So maybe keep a hold of those thighs, lift up. Now there is no boom hitting the floor, it is a slow, fluid, it's a slow fluid roll up and down your vertebrae, all the way up, lift, breathe, inhale, roll all the way down. This time you're gonna hold at the top. So you're gonna tuck chin to chest, lift all the way up. Now this is so important that you follow me. You're gonna press the bottom of your spine down to the floor. So it's like you're really trying to press the bottom of the spine down to the floor. You've got a gorgeous C shape with the body. Your shoulders are over the top of your knees. If you want it more intense, you're lower. So those abdominals are really taking all of that power now. Inhale, exhale away, well done. Can you maybe release one hand away? Stay there, palm to the ceiling, lift, little up, little up. Now if you can't feel this, if it doesn't feel good on the lower spine, I want you to press the lower spine to the floor, and again, think of that C shape. This should all be about those abdominals. Keep lifting one hand, lift, just give me 5 more lifts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, other hand, lift, go up, go lift. We go up with the palm to the ceiling, lift, lift. Now the further you get that lower spine to the floor, the more you can really try to touch your hip bones on your belly button by inverting them in, the harder this is gonna get, but the better results. If you are burning, it is working, you are getting to that muscle fatigue, you are making all those changes you want. Little lift, you've got it. 4, 3, 2, don't drop out, don't give in now. Hands come back underneath the thighs. Now press your lower spine a little bit further down. You've got a C shape with your body, keep your feet planted. Can you reach one hand away? If this is you, stay here for the modification option. Other hand goes away, both hands lift, go up, go up. You may need to close your eyes at this point, lower spine down to the floor. How badly do you want that brand new waistline? Maybe you're going on holiday, maybe you have something to look forward to, you want to change your body, commit to your workout today. Little lift, you've got it. 8, 7, we are done here. In 5, in 4, in 3 more lifts. 2, 1, well done. Hands under the shoulder, hands under the thighs even. Lift yourself up, nice deep breath in, nice deep breath, exhale away. Then you're gonna roll yourself down towards the floor. We're gonna come back to that Pilates position. One leg comes up, other leg comes up into a 90-degree angle. Now you're gonna bring your hands and go underneath the thighs again. Now the chin comes to the chest, you're gonna curl head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Your eye line is to your thighs here. Now send one leg out and away, stay there. Now both hands go underneath one thigh. I want you to try to touch your nose up to your thigh. Breathe in, you've got it, exhale. We're gonna go for a little bit of a cycle here. So we're gonna switch and then switch. We're gonna start off nice and slow. Switch, go switch, breathe in, breathe, exhale away. Do not starve your body of oxygen, it needs it to work harder. We go switch, keep going, head, neck, shoulders are off the floor. Let's convert your fat into muscle. You want to turn your fat into muscle because muscle burns more calories at resting than fat does. We go switch, keep going, go switch. Now can you up the pace? Switch, switch, and switch, go up. So you can either stay here for the modification, that may be fine for you. If you have a lot of energy today, do you want to step it up a notch? Do you want it that little bit harder? We go one hand away, maybe both hands away, wherever you are. Just give me 10 more cycles. 9, go 8, don't let the head drop down. 7, chin to chest. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Knees in towards your chest. Find your breath. Inhale. Find your breath. Exhale. Well done. Rock yourself backwards. You're going to rock yourself all the way forward. Bring both the feet and sweep them behind yourself. Into one of my favorite moves. It's a prep plank position. So we're not planking today. I know everybody dreads the word plank. we're gonna prep plank. Hands under the shoulders. Now I want you to pull the navel in, stay there. Now tuck both your toes under and let's go. Hover the knees off. So you want the crown of the head down towards the hips in a gorgeous straight line. Imagine you have a ruler up the back of your top, or you've got a ruler balancing on your spine. It's nice and straight. Eye line to the floor, just between both of your hands. Breathe in, I know. Breathe, exhale away. Now tap the knees, lift, whoop, tap, then lift. Can we change it up? A little bit of a brain teaser here. You're gonna go tap, tap, lift. Go tap, tap, lift the knees. Lift, you've got it. Tap, tap, then up. Now keep going. Inhale, exhale. You just have 30 more seconds here left to go. I know it's been tough today. Go lift. 4, lift up. 3, lift. You've got it. 2, lift. Last one. Now hover the knees. Hold them a millimeter away from the floor and just give me 10 more seconds here, then we are done. Keep going, you've got 7, go 6, go 5, squeeze the abs in, go 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself down, find a breath here, in, find a breath, exhale. Quick cat and cow, hands underneath the shoulders, have a really quick stretch here. So you want to pull the belly button up to the ceiling, scoop in. And then exhale, press the chest down, lift the eye line all the way up. And then back through a neutral spine, dropping the hips down towards the floor. Give yourself a little shoulder roll. Final breath in, and exhale. And well done in your 11-minute abs workout today. Make sure you drop me a comment down below. Tell me how you found this workout. And if you've got any suggestions of what you would like to see, also drop me a comment. Hit subscribe. See you next time. Bye.